Exponential regression. Let's look at number 2 for this one. A yearly revenue at Walmart in millions of dollars. Let's find the exponential regression using Desmos. So let's go to desmos.com/calculator. So when we go to desmos.com/calculator, press the plus sign and go to table. And then we'll record all of the numbers that are given to us. Now for each of these, for the time, we want to subtract our year by the year that Walmart first opened, which was in 1962. And then after we've done that, go ahead and type in the regression equation, y1 squiggly line a times b to the x1 power. Let's have log mode turned on so we can write our correlation coefficient. Write those on your paper. So their exponential equation is y equals 9.37 times 1.225 to the x power. Predict the yearly revenue at Walmart in the year 2030. You would let x equal 68 for this because that was 68 years since their opening date. So when we evaluate this at 68, we get 9,470,675.51331. So write that down. Okay, it says, what year should the yearly revenue be $1 trillion when y equals 1 million? So when we find it on the graph, when we set y equal to 1 million, we get x value of about 57. So 57 years from 1962. So that's 2019. Now, we didn't reach the revenue of $1 trillion in 2019. So as you can see, this model is off a bit. That's why the regression is not, the R is not like 1. It also is showing that the growth is slowing down as we get further and further into these next years. Alright, so do these other 2 problems on your own. Well, other 3 problems. And then let's look at these real quick. So for these 2 problems, number 25 and 26, 25 is a linear regression, and they already give you the table and the equation. They just want you to interpret it. Like, what's the slope mean? What's the y-intercept? Make predictions. So on A, the slope of the line, what does it represent? That's talking about the negative 6.23, which would be the probability per each rank. And then the y-intercept would be the probability if they were at rank number 0. For C and D, you would plug in 6 and 14 into X to evaluate to get Y. And then for E, you would plug in 73% for Y to solve for X. You would do something similar for number 26. Once you finish these, go ahead and go on to the next section.